Imagine your server is a house. If the front door is wide open with the key under the mat, well, you know how that story ends. Hackers are like burglars. They scan millions of doors every day, looking for the ones left unlocked. And in the world of servers, the most common door they attack is SSH on port 22 with weak passwords. Today, we're going to change that. We'll create a new admin user, hide the SSH door on a custom port, and secure it with a PuTTY.ppk key. When we're done, your server won't just have a lock, it'll have a lock that only you can open.
We begin by creating a new administrative user. Sudo add user demo user. Assign a secure password and complete the setup prompts. Then, add this user to the sudo group to grant administrative rights. Sudo usermod -a G sudo demo user. This approach ensures that root access is not required for day-to-day administrative tasks.
Automated attacks, we will change the default SSH port. Edit the SSH configuration file. Sudo nano /etc/SSH/SSHD_config. Locate the port 22 directive, uncommented, and change it to your chosen port, for example, 2278.
Save the changes, restart the SSH service. Finally, allow the new port through the firewall. Sudo ufw allow 2278/TCP. If you are already on the server as another user, you can switch to demo user using sudo su demo user. Prepare for key-based authentication. Inside the demo user account, create the .ssh directory to store authorized keys. mkdir-p /.ssh. chmod 700 /.ssh. This directory will securely hold the public key that matches your .ppk file from PuTTYGen. Next, create the authorized keys file, which will store the public key. nano /.ssh/authorized keys. We will paste the public key into it shortly. On your Windows workstation, open PuTTYGen. Click Generate and move your mouse randomly until the progress bar completes. Once the key is generated, copy the entire public key from the top text box. Save the private key as a .ppk file. This file will remain on your computer only. Return to the server window where Authorized Keys is open. Paste the public key you copied from PuTTYGen, then save and close the file. Finally,
Secure the file with shiz600 /.ssh/authorized keys. This ensures only the owner can read or write the key.
Now that the key is in place and permissions are correct, we can end the current SSH session. Now comes the moment of truth. We open PuTTY again, our secure doorway to the server. At the top, we type in the username and server's IP address. Then, instead of the default 22, we set our new hidden port, 2278. On the left, we navigate through the menus, Connection, SSH, Auth. Here, we browse for the .ppk file we created in PuTTYGen, our unique digital key, forged just minutes ago. We click Open, and in seconds, we're inside. No password prompt, no guesswork, only instant, secure access. This is the proof. Key-based authentication is working, and our server door on port 2278 now opens only for us.
Security isn't just about blocking threats, it's about staying one step ahead of them. By creating a dedicated sudo user, moving SSH to port 2278, and locking access with a PPK key, we've reduced our attack surface to almost zero. No more predictable ports, no more guessable passwords, only a secure private key that you control. At Bhagaskara Labs, we believe good security is not a one-time task, but a habit, built step by step until your systems are as strong as the knowledge you bring to protect them. This is Bhagaskara Labs, where technology meets discipline and security becomes second nature.